In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook, not sending or receiving emails. If you're expecting a message and it doesn't show up, or someone says they sent you an email but you can't find it, one of the most common reasons is that Outlook has filtered the message into the wrong place. In this walkthrough, we're going to check a few key areas inside Outlook Mail so you can find missing emails and make sure important messages don't stay hidden. To begin, open Outlook and go to the Mail section. This is the main area where your inbox, folders, and incoming messages are displayed. Once you're there, take a moment to look over the layout so you can easily spot where your tabs and folders are located. If your Outlook account uses Focused Inbox, the next thing you need to do is click on the Other tab. Outlook sometimes separates emails into Focused and Other, and messages that aren't considered high priority can end up in the Other section instead of appearing in the main inbox view. This means an email might not actually be missing at all. It may just be sorted somewhere you weren't looking. After switching to Other, scan through the messages carefully to see whether the email you're expecting is there. If you still don't see it, move to the folder list and click on Junk Email. This is another very common place for missing messages to end up. Outlook's filtering system is helpful, but it isn't perfect, and legitimate emails can sometimes be marked as junk by mistake. When you open the junk email folder, look through the messages for anything important, especially if you're waiting on a confirmation email, a reply, or a message from a new sender. If you find the missing message in junk email, right-click on it and select Mark as not junk. This tells Outlook that the message is safe and should not have been filtered there. In many cases, this also helps Outlook improve how it handles similar messages in the future, which can reduce the chance of the same problem happening again. As a helpful tip, after marking a message as not junk, keep an eye on your inbox and the Other tab for future emails from that sender. If Outlook has filtered one message incorrectly, checking those areas regularly can save you time. That's it. By checking Mail, reviewing the Other tab, opening junk email, and marking valid messages as not junk, you can quickly solve one of the most common Outlook email delivery visibility issues.